For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Tamil Nadu government decides to impose lockdown in the state till July 31st. Just a few days ago, the Tamil Nadu government had imposed lockdown in Chennai, Madurai and few other districts. Now the government has said that a total lockdown will be imposed in Tamil Nadu effective from July 1st. However, the lockdown comes with certain restrictions in the state. On June 29, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy met a team of medical experts and reviewed the COVID-19 situation in the state. While everybody thought the Chief Minister would impose lockdown to check the spread of the virus in the state, but the team didn't suggest the Chief Minister to impose lockdown as a way to prevent the spread of virus. Instead, the medical experts requested the Chief Minister that the state government should ramp up testing. In fact, the medical experts told the government that reimposing lockdown is not a solution to combat COVID-19. However, the Tamil Nadu government chose to impose lockdown to check the spread of virus in the state. Needless to say, India saw a rise in COVID-19 numbers after the curbs were lifted. Tamil Nadu too was not spared of the increase in COVID-19 cases. Opposition leader Kalanidhi Veeraswamy said that all MLAs and MPs should work with the government during COVID-19.
I feel that the lockdown is necessary. If you see my earlier, my warnings also has been, if you do not act effectively, we are going to face a situation where there are going to be several thousand people dying. There is even somebody who has made a prediction that there are going to be around 1 lakh people dying before December in Chennai alone. So when these kind of things are there, the lockdown should be extended. But just saying lockdown is not the answer. So the lockdown should be in letter and spirit. They should be able to follow it up, and I feel that even only the hospitals should be functioning.
As of June 30th, Tamil Nadu has registered over 86,000 cases and over 1,000 people have succumbed to COVID-19. In Tamil Nadu, Chennai continues to remain one of the worst affected cities. On June 29, Chennai saw the highest daily spike with 2,167 cases and 18 people succumbed to COVID-19. After looking at the growing trajectory of COVID-19 cases in India, several states have decided to reimpose lockdown. The centre has already given a free rein to the state governments to take a decision on extending or reimposing lockdown. A few state governments in the country have extended or imposed lockdown to limit the spread of virus. The state governments of Maharashtra, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu and few districts in Assam have been locked down. In India, Maharashtra is the worst affected state, followed by Tamil Nadu. It needs to be seen if the reimposition of lockdown would help the states in bringing down the number of cases.